Hey, welcome back to the vlog. 30% of the people who watch these vlogs on a regular basis aren't subscribed. It would help me out if you click that subscribe button and maybe like as well. So what you just saw was the Demolition Derby that I went to a couple weeks ago. It was fun. We went to the fair, we got some grub, we watched the Demolition Derby, good old country style. Apart from going to the fair, though, my last few weeks have been pretty sort of status quo, mostly just focusing on work tasks and boring things like that. But, as you can see, I have rearranged my, what I'm calling my studio now, I think. Ever since that date of crash that I talked about in the last vlog, I've been thinking a lot about sort of how things are organized in my office/workspace. And when I reset the computer after that crash, I named it Colin Studio. Up until then, it was, I think, like Colin Workstation or something like that. So this is my studio now, and I've reoriented the desk and I've created a workspace. So here you can see I'm recording myself up here on this monitor with the camera, or mounted up on there rather. I've got my MacBook beside me here and I'm actually editing the vlog timeline right now. I've got my general computer workspace up in front. Some lighting I've redone up along the top bar there that you can see, and behind me I have this big soft dome. Hey Google, turn on the fill light, which points down at my workspace and gives me lots of sort of soft light to work with here. I just have my backpack in there, power bar down there, my computer down there, and some other bits and bobs sort of in the back here. Yeah, that's what I've got going on for the new studio space that I'm working on, so that my projects can be executed more efficiently and organized, and in a bit of a more organized manner is the ultimate goal here. Moving back into vlog world, though, I on August 6th, which I kind of neglected to mention in the last vlog, went to a nice wedding with Pauline. And as I did when I went to a wedding before, I'd like to kind of show some photos of us at the wedding, because I think we look cute and I think it's cool to document it in some format other than just a photo, because, you know, we take so many photos nowadays. Those kind of get lost in a stack, so to speak. But unfortunately, my phone died before I actually got to the wedding, so I didn't really take any footage, and it was nice to relax and disconnect, and the wedding was kind of remote out in the wilderness, so I just kind of chilled for the day, and it was a good time. Next up, as some of you may know, among the many busy things I do, I run a custom keyboard creation service, and I make people custom keyboards that look, well, a whole variety of different ways, but this is a custom keyboard, for example. And recently, a couple of my friends, which is actually most of my customer base so far with this business, have requested keyboards from me, and I have a couple of cute clips of me giving them the keyboards that I would like to feature.
Yeah. I did see him make some of it.
I sent her a picture.
Oh! This is perfect. Oh my god.
That's such a satisfying keyboard.
Oh.
And then Noah said this.
How much of a keyboard can you make me for $250?
I get pretty close to this. That was about $250.
Yeah.
And then he proceeded to e-transfer me $350 and told me to build him a surprise keyboard. So here's the reveal for that surprise keyboard a few weeks later on the podcast.
This is the worst.
I have to take the sticker off.
Can you talk into the microphone?
I have to take the sticker off.
This is podcast content.
Do you want a knife?
Sorry. Yeah, I got it.
Okay.
All right. Okay.
Noah versus the sticker. Noah lost.
Ooh. This is so pretty. Oh, I love it.
Literally, as soon as I touched mine, it was the same exact reaction. Just like,
This is
goodness.
amazing. Oh my goodness, Colin. Oh, I love the colors. Are these the keycaps that you chose for me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you like the
are,
color
like,
scheme?
Yeah, it's amazing.
the most Noah keycaps
Pink
ever.
and black and white.
But I love the like accented pink, you know?
Yeah.
How like it's written on the black keycaps and then you only have like only really 3 actual pink keycaps.
So yeah, thanks Noreen and Noah for supporting a hobby and passion of mine, and it was very fun to see your reactions opening your keyboards. Oh, and Noreen changed up her keycaps since I built it for her. Those were just the default that came with her board. Finally, on the vlog update agenda is a quick update on the Ultimate Cable Chart project. And I have completed a little bit more progress. You can see here I finished the entire left side of the chart, adding in the VGA, DVI, SDI, RJ45 cables and their labels, and finishing labeling the USB cable section as well. So that's where that project is at. Looking forward to finishing it, but of course it's a big one, and it's kind of at the bottom of my priority list, so I only get to it every once in a while. Anyway, that's pretty much all of the updates I have for now. A little bit of a personal status update. It's August 26th when I'm recording the outro to this vlog and uploading this vlog. In 2 weeks, I will be back at school. I actually study part-time at the university that I work at, and in 2 weeks, I will be taking up one course. It's not actually that much, but it will occupy some of my time nonetheless, and I'm hoping to maybe sort of turn it into vlog content if possible. Might be interesting to talk about what I'm learning, but consider me a little more busy in a couple weeks. Hopefully I can get one more vlog in while it's my summertime though, and of course work gets more busy in the fall too. Anyway, that's all for today. Thanks to my Patreons, Noah and Pauline. I think it's pronounced patron, actually. Patrons. But the site is Patreon. Anyway, thank you for tuning into this episode, and I will see you next time.